Welcome back. We've looked at a number of applications that you can use in order to create a shared workspace to collaborate on documents. Yet another way to do that in Office 365 is to use Sharepoint, which is considered to be an intranet. We're going to go ahead and start by clicking on Sharepoint. And we can start the process by creating a site. The Sharepoint sites are considered to be internal sites. They're not meant for your customers to see. So if you have teams within a team, then you can use these sites as a way of displaying progress, as a way of displaying research, as a way of displaying what one part of your team is doing. And you can do that by clicking this Team Site button. So we're going to give this team site a name, and the site will have an address. Now you can set the privacy settings so that the only people that can access the site will be the members. That's pretty much what you want to do with any intranet site. What we're now going to do is we're going to click Next. Now what you can do is you can add in other admins, you can add in other members. We're not going to do that right now. We're just going to click Finish. Importantly, as you can see, this is another way of being able to view and share files among a specific team. So you can upload your documents here. Then all of our activity, as well as those who are on the team, will then show up here on the intranet page. Now, the intranet site does work like a blog, so you're encouraged to write in comments on every page. You're also encouraged to update with a post. And again, we'll be able to follow all of this activity in one place. So Sharepoint provides us a shared workspace where we can have conversations around ongoing projects or ongoing teams. Now, Sharepoint is a little different in that we are encouraged also to incorporate those things from outside of the organization. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.